everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Ashia and I am going to walk you through everything you need to know about scholarships in USA. So now why this topic intrigues me so much, which is scholarships in USA, is because all of my friends were trying to go to US last year, and what was the major constraint which was happening? Financial difficulty. So dreaming big is very important, but you should have some financial aid to back you up, and scholarships will give you that. So when I was researching about scholarships in USA, there were some mind-boggling facts which were crazy to me. For example, first of the fact that I came across is that US government has a grant issue which is of $49 billion, which is only for scholarships. So what happens when you don't apply is that money just gets there, it stays there and it doesn't go anywhere. Another thing is that people think that their GPA is all that determines scholarship, but nowadays government is looking at all sections of students. Another fact is that you can literally win a scholarship for anything: creativity, community service, extracurricular activities. It's not just studies. And one more thing is you can literally win scholarships, multiple scholarships in one single go. So there's an app called the Common App where you just have to apply for a scholarship once and then you can get shortlisted for multiple scholarships. So now that we have looked into mind-boggling facts about scholarships in USA, let's look at my top 5 favorite. So the first one is Fulbright program, which is applicable for USA students. So anybody who is trying to go for a master's program or a PhD program can apply. They cover everything from tuition fees to airfare to living expenses. And to know more, you can go to any USA embassy or Fulbright commission of your home country. So now we come to the one that is my most favorite, which is Amber Scholar. So why is it my favorite? First of all, the prize money is $12,000. Can you guys believe that? And the most important part is it gets directly credited to your bank account. So you use it for your tuition fee, for airfare, for rental expenses, anything that you want. Another big thing that I want you guys to know is that the applications are already open. So you can just go in and apply, and they started on 24th of Jan. And the countries where it is applicable for is USA, Canada, Ireland and UK. So go now and apply. One more catch is that the referral program. So basically they've come up with this very interesting, intriguing referral program. As soon as you apply, which is through an online form, you get an automated email where you get a referral code. Now if you go and give this referral code to your friends, the chances of you winning becomes higher. So the process of applying itself is also very easy. You just have to submit an online form, and along with that you have to write a very compelling SOP. Along with that, also attach your PPT, PDF, video, anything that makes it creative and out of the box. So go apply right now. So let me show you what you guys need to apply for this scholarship. Acceptance letter, statement of purpose, recent mark sheets, admission confirmation or fee receipt, social media handles, and passport-sized photos. The next one is Coca-Cola Scholars Program. So this is a merit-based scholarship program. What you need for this is you need to be a high school senior in USA. You need a 3.0 GPA or above, and it opens in August and closes in October each year. The next one is Knight Hennessy Scholarship. So this scholarship is exclusive for Stanford University, and it is for everyone: graduates, masters, PhD students, everyone. So what you need is, the extra thing that you need to do for the scholarship is interviews, and along with that the applications start in early October. And rounding off our list is the Gates Scholarship. So this is also obviously for USA, and the best part about the scholarship is it is applicable to all universities in USA. The only thing is that you need a 3.3 GPA on a scale of 4. Now this is for either minority groups or this is for low income groups. So if you talk about minority groups, there is Hispanic, there is African American, there is Native American, there is Pacific Islanders. All of these groups are covered, and the applications start in July and they end in September. So there you have it. These are my top 5 most favorite scholarships. And let's not forget Amber Scholar. Go to the description below to know more. And additionally, if you like our content, like, share, subscribe, and comment down below which scholarship would you apply for. Okay, bye.